Hello guys, welcome back to our farm where we keep chicken layers, and our birds are 15 weeks old. And guys, just listen to this voice that birds are producing. It's a very cracking sound. It's a bird that is almost to the edge of laying. So this is our 15 weeks old chicken layers. They're 15 weeks old, and the sound that they're producing, they're almost laying stage, because you can even hear the cracking sound. It's the time they're changing their voice from being chicks to layers. I'm excited for this. This is making me feel good. So I just came across a one week old chick. He was just moving around. I don't know where it escaped from. So let me return it to where the rest are, place where there is a bit of warmth, and contained from this big bunch of layers to the chicks where they are now. These are 1 week and 1 week. It looks exactly. Ooh. Look at this. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Beautiful.